Do you have the power to change your financial future? Did you know that learning about state-of-the-art AI tools can make you rich? Prepare yourself because we are about to reveal not one, not two, but 5 amazing AI tools that can make you a millionaire. By predicting market trends and examining intricate data, these groundbreaking platforms have the potential to soar your wealth to previously unimaginable heights. Prepare to use the immense power of AI to find the secret to becoming a millionaire. Your financial journey is about to take an exciting turn, so buckle up. We appreciate you coming to. These 5 AI tools will make you a millionaire. But wait, before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to Discover the Millionaire's Toolkit, 5 game-changing AI tools. In this video, we're unveiling the secret arsenal used by millionaires to gain an advantage in their businesses. These AI-powered tools are not just gadgets, they're the catalysts for achieving unprecedented productivity, efficiency, and profitability. Artificial intelligence tools have become indispensable for optimizing productivity, streamlining processes, and making informed decisions. Today, we will explore the top 5 AI tools available online that will empower the wealthy warrior to unlock their full potential and achieve unparalleled success. Top 5 Artificial Intelligence Tools. Number 1. Notion Artificial Intelligence. Your all-in-one productivity hub Notion is a game-changing AI-powered workspace that revolutionizes the way you organize and collaborate. This versatile tool combines project management, note-taking, and knowledge sharing in one cohesive platform. With features like task management, shared databases, and customizable templates, Notion enables the wealthy warrior to streamline workflows, coordinate team efforts, and effortlessly access vital information. By centralizing your work and harnessing the power of AI, Notion empowers you to stay organized, increase efficiency, and maximize productivity. Number 2. Shekspear Artificial Intelligence. Elevate your writing to perfection in the realm of business and communication. Powerful writing skills are essential. Shekspear AI employs AI to enhance your writing abilities, providing real-time grammar and style suggestions to ensure your content is polished and persuasive. Whether you're crafting professional emails, developing compelling marketing copy, or fine-tuning important documents, Shekspear AI acts as your virtual writing assistant. With its advanced language processing capabilities, Shekspear AI helps you refine your writing, captivate your readers, and convey your ideas with eloquence and impact. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Number 3. Vossle Artificial Intelligence. Vossle is a heaven-sent AI tool for those who want to generate an augmented reality experience but don't know how to code. You can create filters, virtual reality games, and AR try-on. There are also Vossle's plugins available for WordPress and Magento. Number 4. Write Sonic Artificial Intelligence. Unleash the power of sound for optimal performance. Optimizing mental well-being and performance is a top priority for the wealthy warrior. Write Sonic AI utilizes AI to curate personalized soundscapes that enhance focus, relaxation, and sleep. By leveraging the science of sound and combining it with AI algorithms, Write Sonic AI creates immersive audio experiences tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need to concentrate deeply on an important task, find moments of relaxation in a busy schedule, or improve the quality of your sleep, Write Sonic AI equips you to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Number 5. Jasper Artificial Intelligence. Fortify your digital defenses with AI security in an age of increasing cyber threats. Protecting sensitive information and digital assets is crucial. Jasper AI employs AI algorithms to detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time, ensuring the security of your data and systems. With advanced threat monitoring, anomaly detection, and automated response capabilities, Jasper AI acts as your virtual security guard, constantly vigilant and ready to defend against malicious actors. By fortifying your digital defenses with Jasper AI, the wealthy warrior can focus on their endeavors with peace of mind, knowing that their valuable assets are safeguarded. These 5 game-changing AI tools are not just gadgets, they're the strategic assets millionaires and thriving entrepreneurs rely on to excel. Are you ready to elevate your business to extraordinary heights with the Millionaire's Toolkit? Today is the day to embark on this transformative journey and join the elite ranks of the most successful entrepreneurs. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating journey through the Millionaire's Toolkit, where AI empowers you to achieve unparalleled success. Remember, these tools aren't just reserved for millionaires, they're within your reach, waiting to transform your business and your life. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon and do subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on freelancing and entrepreneurship. Thank you for joining me on this journey.